Today in this video you will learn what is left function in Microsoft Excel and how to use it. So stay tuned. Hello, I'm your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let us start. Left function extracts given number of characters from the left side of the supplied text string. This function accepts two arguments, one mandatory and one optional. I will demonstrate a small example for you to better understand this function. In this example, I have numbers of top 10 invoices which got me highest revenue in last 5 years. Now I want to find which year has most number invoices in top 10. To do this, we will have to first extract the year from invoice number in column B, and left function will help us to do this. In column C2, type equal to left open bracket and a first mandatory argument, that is the text string that contains the characters we want to extract. In our case it is B2. Type comma. Our second optional argument is number of characters we need to extract from the given string. In our example, we need 4 characters because that will let us know the year of the invoice. This second argument should always be greater than 0, and if it is omitted, then the default value is assumed as 1. Coming back to our example, since we have entered both the arguments, we will close the bracket and hit enter. C2 cell now has the year extracted from the invoice number. We will copy the cell C2 and paste it in the remaining cells besides the invoice number. So now we have the years of all the invoices. The year with most number invoices can be obtained by applying count function on column C. But that's for another tutorial. Thanks for watching. Doesn't matter whether you like, share, subscribe or not, but what matters is that you keep learning.